Future perfect tense for achievements by baristas. In the world of coffee, baristas play a crucial role in creating the perfect cup of coffee for customers. Their skills and dedication are essential for achieving excellence in the art of coffee making. By learning to use the future perfect tense, baristas can talk about their achievements and accomplishments with confidence. The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions or events that will be completed or achieved at some point in the future. For example, a barista might say, "By the end of the week, I will have perfected my latte art skills." This means that the barista is confident that by the end of the week, they will have achieved their goal of mastering latte art. Another example could be, "By the time the new espresso machine arrives, I will have memorized the entire coffee menu." This sentence shows that the barista is committed to learning the coffee menu before the new machine arrives. Achievements by baristas using the future perfect tense can include mastering different coffee brewing techniques, perfecting the art of milk frothing, learning about different coffee beans and their flavor profiles, and providing exceptional customer service. For instance, a barista might say, "By the end of the month, I will have brewed the perfect cup of pour-over coffee." This shows their dedication to honing their brewing skills and achieving excellence in creating a delicious cup of coffee. In conclusion, the future perfect tense is a valuable tool for baristas to talk about their achievements and accomplishments in the world of coffee making. By setting goals and using this tense to talk about their future successes, baristas can inspire confidence in themselves and their customers. The possibilities are endless for what baristas can achieve when they set their minds to it and use the future perfect tense to express their ambitions. With determination and hard work, baristas can create amazing coffee experiences for their customers and themselves.